Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Pseudoaneurysm. The pseudoaneurysm is commonly seen in patients after the trauma as well as the injury to the vessel wall. So vessel wall injury. It is like an arterial catheterization, catheterization, and there is presence of the blood flow. So there is blood flow. This blood flow goes differently in two opposite directions. So it's two opposite directions. In case of the color Doppler, what are the findings? The color Doppler, there is a red and blue. So red and blue are seen. So this appears as in the fashion of the yin-yang sign. So yin-yang sign is seen. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.